family, and welcome back to my channel. And I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I haven't seen you guys since last year. Happy new year. Hope all your goals can be achieved this year with a lot of health and success and love. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat in a day. I love watching this type of videos on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out. I wanted to share with you some of the things that I eat. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. I make a lot of grocery haul videos, easy family recipes, cleaning videos, and as well I want to start doing organization video, mommy type videos. I'm a mom of 3 and I have a husband. We live with my parents right now and my sisters in the meantime until we can settle down on our own. Hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, what I eat in a day. Now let's get started with the video. Starting with breakfast, I have been loving making smoothie bowls. They're so good, healthy, and super delicious. I just added some fresh strawberries, 1 whole banana, vanilla extract. I'm also adding almond milk and a lot of ice because we want the consistency to be nice and thick. So you will see, I just put it in my NutriBullet and blend it away. This is such a quick and easy breakfast idea, and I hope you guys can make it pretty soon because it's so good. I just added my smoothie bowl into my bowl, and I'm also going to add toppings to this. Now the toppings is whatever you want. I just added some fresh bananas, chia seeds, as well as fresh strawberries, but you can add blueberry, raspberry, whatever you like. And I also added granola. It gives it some texture and it's so good, I promise you guys. You can add some honey drizzle if you want. So this is what I'm eating for breakfast. Quick and easy, healthy breakfast, as well as drinking my iced green tea matcha. Okay guys, so right now I just want to share with you what I'm going to eat while I cook. So this is called kipe. This is Dominican appetizer. It's like a grain. You stuffed it with meat, ground meat. You fry it up and it's so good. It's like a staple in every Dominican household when they have a party or a special occasion. So I'm just eating this leftover from yesterday that my mom bought. And I'm also sipping on my green tea. I still have my green tea. I love it. So good. And I just added green tea matcha powder, almond milk, and as well as agave. And that's it. And a little bit of ice. It's so good. I made for lunch, I cooked white rice, stewed black beans, as well as baked turkey meatballs with broccoli stir fry with garlic. It's a healthy option, it's delicious. This is what I cook for lunch, and this is what my kids eat for lunch when they come from school, and my husband as well. Eating my lunch with a bottle of water. It is 4 p.m. so as a snack I'm eating fresh watermelon and green grapes before my workout. So right now it's 6 p.m. after my workout. I always like to drink a smoothie. So today I'm just going to make a banana, almond butter, and oat smoothie. I have here 1 whole banana. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of oats. I'm using old-fashioned oats. As well as almond milk and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter if you want. I usually like peanut butter or almond butter. And then we're going to add ice. We're going to blend everything up and then enjoy. It is good, it's delicious, and super easy to make. And now for dinner, my kids actually ate oatmeal with fresh fruits, but I wanted to eat avocado toast today, so that is what I'm going to be making. I already toasted my whole grain breast slices. I'm topping it off with my mashed avocado, which I seasoned with lime juice and salt. I'm also adding nutritional yeast. And then I'm going to add 1 fried egg cut in half into each slice. I love hot sauce, so I add a little bit of sriracha as well. And that was my dinner for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video of what I eat in a day. Healthy edition, and I'll see you next time.